Good morning, folks, friends, haters. This is day 134 of day trading the stock market. Open with a small cash account. Running a little bit behind schedule. Bell just rang 13 seconds ago. See what we got cooking. What's cooking good looking? PTIX. Low floater. THAR again today. ISPC. APM. Got some action today, huh? Nice. Whoa, VELO. What? Why? What's going on there? Monthly charge, was this like a SPAC or something? VELO enters a $6 million contract with the Navy, which includes purchase of a some. So we got good news there. PTIX news. Does first patient of the phase 1 trial. Okay. See how far she's going to come down. Going to lower band. Going to lower band to make it dance. All right, let's check out this pullback on VELO. Love this contract. Love this contract news. It's going to go through 420. It's a 3-cent spread there. It's a pretty big spread. AMED, what are you up to? Nothing really yet. PTIX trying again. Running into the same problems near... Oh, nope. Got through it. Let's see how it reacts to 4. A little bit of a high fill here on VELO, but let's see. High fill for my fault. Didn't get schwabbed. Oh, ended up being a red trade. That's garbage. Is it spreading? 8-cent spread. Whoa! I should have seen that. I should not have hit the. I should not have hit the market sell. That was nutty. All right, let's focus on PTIX. We got 1-cent spread over here. Nice move. Nice move. Let's see how it reacts to high a day, 424. Buzzing. Yeah, it's buzzing. 4 seconds until a new minute. 3, 2, 1. New minute. No pullback. Halt up 472. I'll be in a new office tomorrow. Well, I'll be in a real office tomorrow, I guess, and just not my home office. Let's just put it that way. Halt down 367 here for VELO. Very close to a halt down. Is it going to lock in? Locked in, VELO got halted down. That's a shame. On such good news, too. I don't think that stock's done yet, though. Sellers at 25. Sellers at 20. Sellers at 19. Sellers at 16. EMA at like 4. Sellers at 24. Sellers getting eaten. There's 25. There's 28. There's 30. Buzzing a little bit here. Ooh, turquoise front side too. Okay. APM is up 115% now. Well, 1 minute to make a new high is going to be over 40, but we got 50 right after that. So let's see how 3 reacts to APM. APM, previous mover, huh? It's like we've traded it before. Okay. It's like the base of that's 414. Don't want 414 to break. How am I going red on that? I don't understand that. Am I just getting absolutely wrecked on this ask? I don't, whatever. Maybe you just gotta find a better entry. How about that? Don't have the entry so tight, and I don't have to worry about it. Half off already. Great entry. Another half off. Full out now. See, better entry, and you don't have to worry about those small cents on the on the spread. Little chomp AT. Yo, we got some stocks that are buzzing. And I'm here for it. This one's top volume is red, though. Don't find that super sexy. APM's going to have to get above this 302. VELO is open. ISBC on the pullback. AEMD trying to get through VWAP. A lot of stocks making interesting moves. Okay. This is no longer. Let's see if we get through 450. We're curling, which means we could move through 450 fast, but problem being is, do I want to take that risk all the way up near 450? Where can I take the least amount of risk? Let's see if we can try to just ride this curl. Might take a while. Might get eaten on this candle. Did get eaten on the candle. And then it looks like I got chopped. Trading is not for the faint of heart. From 450 through 470, just how we cooked it up. Okay, got that out of my system. Let's refocus now. Is 50 gonna hold? Yo, my head kind of hurts from that microphone, not gonna lie. At least our intuition was completely spot on with that curl in the 450 area. Yeah, we didn't execute, but mine was in the right spot. It's half the battle. $70, ooh, right to 490. These candles are crazy. All right, we got 200-day moving average coming up at 532 for PTIX. If it gets through 5. $490, 87. This thing's above the upper band of. Uh-oh. Fly, pelican, fly. Gotta hold 5. Didn't hold 5. Why am I still holding the stock? It's because we're above this upper band, and I feel like this could get wild and crazy. It's fighting with 5. It's ping-ponging. I don't really like to be in this position of ping-pong action, but like I said, we're above this upper band, so it's like rationale's kind of out the window right now on the bullish side. Half off just to reduce some risk. Rest off just because it's not moving fast enough through this 5 area. Look at this. It's like we're using this upper band as kind of like an EMA now. Let's see if this thing gets parabolic or something. Yo, not gonna lie, my forehead kind of hurts. Let me check this. Did I mess up the moneymaker? No, we're good. Alright, 511 is the next. 1 minute to make a new high. Man, if I was like a longer term holder, look at that entry I had down here. 27%. Gonna break 511. Holding 5, not holding 5, bid at 499. Back over 5, 588. Five seven, 5 5, 5 4, 8 9. There's a breakthrough 11. Nice. Oh, and then right back to 5, and then back to 511. You know, I'll say the stock is keeping moving up, but I'm not sure it's been easy because every break of a key resistance area has been like kind of a ping pong game. Back over, back over, back over, or over under, over under, over under. It's a shame for APM. All right, a lot of other stuff has gone backside now. Zoom out, get a better, bigger picture here. Clear these drawings, or let's clear the trades. See you, May, gonna break it down. Break it down for me, fellas. I think I'm convinced I can't really play the 1 minute to make a new high. Or should I? I mean, can't just be scared away from... You know, I read the book Trading in the Zone, and what did it say? It said take every... There's 5. Under 5. See, that's what I'm talking about, though. You know, in theory, the book says I should be taking every of my winning strategies, every attempt at them, because you don't know which one will rip, or you don't know the outcome. And if you don't know the outcome, you can't predict the outcome. And if you can't predict the outcome, you don't know how high it'll go. But you can, of course, limit your downside risk. There's a nice move through 5, and it's back to 503 on the bid, 502 on the bid. Goes through high. Is it going to go through 21? $506, $508. Oh, we got double topping tails here. Might be the end of the front side for PTIX. I'm low-key waiting for AEMD to flush down to this lower band area. It's holding 166 though, so far. What else? Okay. 8 p.m. on the bear trap. Oh, I missed it. I was like seconds too late for it. 8 p.m. baby. 8 p.m.'s the one with great news? No, that was the other one. Yo, this is a huge bear trap into a halt up. Lock it in for the boys and girls, for the traders. Company announced that lockdown. New York State Department of Health has approved. Whatever, doesn't matter. The bear trap was strong on this one. Oh man, what a move. All right, get dialed. Got 5 minutes to get focused. Front side done. New front side beginning. 307. All right. Oh man, I haven't played a dip and rip in ages. Do I even remember how to do it? Is the confidence even there for me to do it? It needs to be. That's one of the strategies that I feel like I need the most confidence. $54. All right. All right. 3 minutes. 3-ish minutes. I'm going to take a rest. Sorry. Let's talk theory here. If we this was an obvious bear trap, okay? It shorted, no. It squeezed out the bears who went short all the way into a halt up. What are the dailies looking like? This thing went to 440 in July and then pulled all the way back. The people that got squeezed out here, are there going to be more causing this to go even higher? That is the question. Or is this just going to open up and then fall? I think I got to be aggressive on it though. Do I? No, not really. No, not really, because there's really no guarantee there's no guarantees ever. But I mean, there's no. Yeah, that was one great candle. What's the volume on it? Yeah, one great candle. Let's see how the tape does. 30 seconds. See if it holds 3, maybe gets above 3. High of day, 307. Ten seconds. Nice. 327 was the exit, and it got to 328. That is some good on you trading right there. Took the dip and rip. All right, got to get over 325 now, or 328 now. That exit was wild and crazy. Let me tell you what, I missed that high by half of a cent. Holding three. PTIX is holding up decently well above VWAP too. 1 minute to make a new highs over 317. There's 15, 15. These 1 minute to make a new high breakouts have been not as easy as they probably should, as they definitely should be within this last, all of August. I feel like 1 minute to make a new highs have been tricky. Or at least during the market open. Here's PTIX testing that. There you go. Nice move, PTIX. Uh-oh, you're going to top wick too? Nine, 22, 21, 21, 21, 22. Buyers at 23. Buyers got eaten. Small buyer. Ooh, small. You got sellers there at 228. Right near high a day. Is it going to come test 3? Yes. There's 3. There's 3. Is it going to hold? No. Let's see if it gets back over 3. PTIX again on the 1 minute to make a new high again. See if it has another one of those nasty wicks. Nice candle. 20 to 50. She moving. PTIX, she moving. What a candle. Another 10 seconds. Let's zoom out and see this volume relative to the rest. See if APM gets and holds through 3. Lay's is coming back up again. 302, back to 3, 299. Sellers now popping up at 3. Small buyers 290. $575. This is the high over here. So red volume's getting lower and lower though. Let's see what happens on 8 p.m. Are we going to get some buyers that come back in? Look at this little setup we got going on right here. There it goes. Nope. Fake out. Fake out. See, that's what I'm talking about. Like, this candle makes me feel like it's like they're going to be normal moves. And then something like that happens where I would have top ticked it. Or got shaken out. It's alright. Keep our head above water. Keep chugging along. This is really just a practice rounds until we get over PDT anyways. Practice reps, baby. Why did I delete that? Didn't I already have that there? Maybe I didn't. 593. There's a new high over there, PTIX. All right, well. It's another fake 1 minute to make a new high right there over 294. But this is almost range bound, so. Ping ponging with 6 PTIX. All right, I'm gonna have to check that because I feel like I just got rocked again. Oh, I did. Even trade, garbage. I feel like when I'm hitting the sell button, I want it to sell. I don't want it to wait 3 seconds to sell. Whatever. I can't even complain about that anymore. If I'm gonna keep complaining about that, I need to change brokers, but I can't. I don't want to pay the fees to change brokers, so it is what it is. It's gonna slip. I'm gonna have slippage. Deal with it. Figure it out. Let's just lock in small green day. I mean, I'm starting to run out of buying power anyways. PTIX is doing fun stuff, but I can't really trade that because I don't have enough cheddar. So I'm out here. Small green day. Spread love. Be good to each other. Drop a comment. Drop a like. Let me know how y'all did. I'm out of here. Peace.